How to export models from Google AI Studio. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to export models from Google AI Studio. Now, AI on Google search does not allow exporting trained models file. It is a prototyping environment for existing Google Gemini models. You can export code snippet or entire application. In order to export the code, you need to open the prompt and click on get started. Select the integrated method. You could then just copy the integrated and generate the code. And to export the entire app project, you just need to click on the build icon or tap onto the build icon and download the file. This will download a zip file containing the HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. You can also select save to GitHub if you want to, and this way you'll be able to export models from Google AI Studio. So with that, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.